You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. Turn the switch to the first position for parking lights. Turn it to the second position for headlights. If you set the control to the auto position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on surrounding light levels. The dimmer control adjusts your instrument panel lights, odometer and radio controls, and interior lighting. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the dimmer control for the interior lights on the instrument panel to increase the brightness of the instrument panel lights. Rotate to the next position to brighten the odometer and radio controls when the parking lights or headlights are on. Rotate to the last position to turn on the interior lights. To activate the front fog lights, with the parking lights or low-beam headlights on, or from the auto position, push in the headlight control switch. Push the switch in a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.